guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Peter Gay Barrett with Barrett Fitness Enterprises, and tonight I would like to show you guys how to do a proper push-up. I would like to show you the techniques to a proper push-up to prevent injuries and how you can get the best results from your push-ups. But if you have not already, or if this is your first time checking out my video or coming across my YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit that little bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. So again, you guys, I will be showing you how to do a proper push-up to prevent injuries and how you can get the best results from your push-ups. So here we go. One of the first things I always tell people when on how to do a proper push-up, make sure that your hands are shoulder width apart. You do not want your hands to be too close together unless you're in the military. Too far apart, this puts too much strain on your shoulders. So first things, hands shoulder width apart. You also want to make sure that your head is not hanging too much or not up too high. Head down too much will put too much strain on your spine, and you want to make sure that your spine is in a neutral position. The next thing I would like to tell you about doing a proper push-up is make sure that your body is in a plank position, your back is flat, and your entire body is parallel to the ground. I also like to make sure that my feet are hip width apart. So hip width apart, not too close together, not too far apart. So I'll run through the tips one more time, you guys. Make sure that your hands are shoulder width apart. Make sure your head is not hanging too low or is not up too high. I like to have my spine in a neutral position and my eyes looking directly down between my two hands. Next, get your body up in a plank position. Make sure your core is engaged, back is nice and flat, body is parallel to the ground, your feet are hips width apart. And then you go down while you exhale, or while you inhale, exhale while you come up. Take a breath in while you go down, exhale while you come up. Take a breath in while you go down, exhale while you come up. And that's how you properly do a push-up. You will notice, however, my weakness with doing a push-up. My elbows tend to kick out a little bit, and that's from an old injury in my elbow, and my elbow tend to turn out a little bit. But proper form for push-up, you want to make sure that your elbows are turned in as tight as you possibly can. If done properly, you guys, a push-up will work your entire body. You will feel your chest as you push up. You'll also feel your tricep engage. You will feel your core and your hips and your glutes engage, you guys. It's pretty much a full body exercise if done properly. So I'll run through the techniques one more time for you guys. Make sure your hands are shoulder width apart. Body's parallel to the ground. Back is nice and flat. Head is in a neutral position. And your feet are hip width apart. Turn your elbows in as best as you can. Take it down. Exhale, come up. Take it down. Exhale, come up. Take it down. Exhale, come up. Push-ups is a great exercise you can do in the comfort of your own home, you guys. You do not have to go to the gym. No fancy equipment is required. You can do it like I am, right in front of my couch, in the comfort of my own home. So here we go one more time, you guys. Remember, as with most exercises, you all, the breathing technique is pretty much the same. You want to exhale in the hardest part of that exercise. And in the case of a push-up, you're exhaling in the push-up part of the exercise. Exhaling in the push-up part of the exercise, not in the going down. So here we go. Exhale as you come up, which is the hardest part of the exercise. And for my beginners, you guys, I personally don't recommend this. That's just me personally. Go down as far as your body will take you. Just being in this position, you're working your arms and your core. Go down as far as your body will take you. Practice that until you get that strength in your upper body where you can start going down, a little bit lower. Practice until you can get your body down here. Practice makes perfect. We know that. But that's how you do a proper push-up, you guys. Thank you all one more time for checking out my podcast, because I know you have brand new podcast called Get Your Ass Up and Move. That's the name of the podcast. It is available on Apple Podcasts, on Android. It's available on my blog at barrett.fitness. If you have not already, please follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook, you guys. I would greatly appreciate it. The name of the podcast is Get Your Ass Up and Move, you guys. Simple. Get your ass up and move. And that's what you would search if you are checking out my podcast. So, again, this is Peter Gay Barrett with Barrett Fitness Enterprises. And this is how you do a proper push-up. Until next time, get your ass up and move, y'all.